everyone. I am Mrs. Madhuri Patil and today I will be teaching subject maths. Before we start with our today's new concept, we'll revise our previous topic that we have already learned. I'm going to ask you some questions. You all have to answer it. Okay? Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, now tell me what you can see in this picture.
Butterfly.
Two butterflies. Very good. Are they same in color?
Purple and yellow
Yes, they are same.
and red.
Sides are same. Size is same.
B-A. A-B.
See, this is butterfly A and this is butterfly B. Now tell me which butterfly is big?
B-B. Big.
Good. Very good. And which butterfly is small?
A. A.
Very good. So butterfly A is small and butterfly B is big.
Big.
Okay. Now tell me what you can say in this picture.
Pot. Flower pot.
Okay. Are they same in size? Are they same in size? No. So tell me which pot. This is pot A and this is pot B. Now tell me which pot is big
Big A. A.
and which pot is small?
B. B.
B. Very good. So it means small and big concept is clear to you. Now tell me which letter is above the letter F?
Above. B.
Very good. Very good. Now tell me which letter is below the letter D?
H. H. H.
Very good.
H.
Now tell me which letter is above the letter E?
E. E. A. A. A.
Very good. Now tell me which letter is below the letter C?
C. G. G. G.
It means above and below concept is clear to you. Now tell me, I have two teddy bears, yes?
Yes. Yes.
Which color is it?
Red. Red and brown.
Is this brown?
Red. Blue. Blue.
Okay. Now tell me, which teddy bear is behind me?
Blue teddy bear.
And
Blue.
which teddy bear is in front of me?
Red teddy bear. Red.
Red is in front of me and blue is behind the teacher. So behind and in front of this concept is also clear to you all. Yes?
Yes.
So today we are going to learn something different concept rather than this. Before that, you tell me in the morning what things you all do. You in the morning when you wake up, what things you all do? Or directly you come and sit in front of the mobile? No. So what do you do in the morning when you wake up?
Brush. Brush.
Loudly.
Brush.
Yes. First we brush our teeth. Second thing, we take the bath.
Take the bath.
Then we wear
Comb
clothes.
your hair.
Yes, comb our hair, wear clothes,
Clean
and
clothes.
get ready for online class, isn't it?
Fit it.
Yes. So this is the thing we do sequentially. Yes, we do not directly get up and sit in front of the mobile. So first thing we brush our teeth.
Yes.
Then we take the bath.
Yes.
Then we wear the clothes. Comb our hair.
Yes.
Then we eat.
Yes.
Yes. and then we sit in front of the mobile. Okay, the first thing we do, we brush our teeth, and then we take the bath. So earlier, so first process what we did, brush the teeth. So that is called earlier process. That is called earlier process. Okay, and afterwards, after we finish the brush, we take the bath, and that process is later. Later we did bath. So today our topic is earlier and later. Okay, so how do we spell earlier? E. Huh? How do we spell earlier? E-A-R-L-I-E-R, earlier. Someone repeat after me. Is it visible to you all?
Yes.
Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay, now spell the word E-A.
R-L-I-E-R. E-A-R-L-I-E-R. Earlier.
Very good. Now spell this word L-A-T-E-R, later.
L-A-T-E-R. Later. L-A-T-E-R. Later.
So earlier means the activity we do first, and later means the activity we do afterwards. Okay, I will show you some examples. Here you can see 2 trees.
2 trees. Yes.
Yes, teacher has drawn 2 trees. See, 1 and 2. What difference you can see?
1, 2.
Color picture and one is without color. Yes. So which picture teacher has drawn first?
First green. Earlier.
Yes. Earlier she draws tree and later she colored it. Understood? Earlier she draw the picture of tree and later she colored it. So this is done earlier and this is
Later.
done later.
Later.
Okay. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. I will give you some more examples so that it will be clear to you. What is this in my hand?
Kit Kat.
Chocolate, yes. So what we do, we directly eat it?
No. No.
No. So what activity we do first?
Wash your hands. Later.
What activity? See, forget everything. This is the chocolate and you want to eat it. So what activity you do first? Directly you eat it?
No.
Then what we do?
Remote the later.
Forget everything earlier, later, everything you forget. Just tell me this is the chocolate and that you want to eat it. So what you do for that? Yes, Naman, very good, Naman. First we open it. Earlier we open it and then we eat it. Isn't it? Are you all getting me? Very good, Naman is saying.
Open it, fit it.
Yes, first we open it, then we eat the chocolate. So earlier we open the wrapper of the chocolate and then we eat it. Okay. Now see, this is the biscuit packet. Yes.
No.
Yes. Yes. So first we open it.
Open it.
Open the packet. Earlier we open the packet and then we eat the biscuit. Like we eat the biscuit. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me when we go out from the house, nowadays when we go out of the house, what we do?
Yes. Parachute.
Nowadays, when your mama or daddy is going out,
Mask.
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 And they go out. Later they go out. Nowadays, when your mummy and daddy is going out, earlier they wore mask,
Mask.
then they move out. Understood?
Yes.
So the earlier means the things we do first, and later means the things we do afterwards.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I will show you some more examples now. So today our topic is earlier and later. Earlier means things we do first, and later means things we do afterwards. Okay, we are going to learn some more examples to clear the concept. What you can see in this picture, in the first picture, you can see the bird on the plant. Yes, first we see bird on the plant, and then it blooms in the flower. So earlier it is a bird, and later it becomes a flower. Earlier it is a bird, and later it becomes a flower. See, in this picture, you can see the boy is brushing the teeth, and in the second picture, the boy is eating. So which process he did earlier? Yes, earlier the boy brushed his teeth, he take the breakfast. Okay. So which process is earlier? Yes, children. Which activity he do first?
Yes.
Which activity he do first? Yes, brushing the teeth. Brushing the teeth. This activity he do earlier, and then later he eat his breakfast. In your textbook, page number 4, some examples are given on the basis of earlier and later.
Later.
What you can see in this picture? What you can see, what that woman is doing? Making chapati. Mummy is making chapati. Page number 4. Don't open it. I will show you the picture in the slideshow. Mom made chapati earlier. First, she made chapati. Earlier, she made chapati. Later, she roasted it. Isn't it? What Mama do first? She make the chapati, and later she roasted it. Now, Rama wore her socks earlier, and afterwards, later she wore her shoes. First what she did? She wore a socks, and later she wore her shoes. So earlier she wore her socks, later she wore her shoes. Now, this is a boy, and he is ready to ride the bicycle. So can you tell me which things he do earlier? This boy is getting ready. He is ready to ride the bicycle. But can you guess which things he did first? Which things he did earlier?
First ready. First ready.
Okay, I'll tell you. Yash wears his helmet earlier. What he did? He wears his helmet earlier.
First helmet.
Later, he rides his bicycle. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you. Earlier means the things we do first. Okay. And later means the things we do afterwards. that is later. Earlier means the things we do first, and later means the things we do
Later.
after. Okay.
After.
Okay.
Later
Now
after.
okay. Have you understood this concept?
Yes.
Okay. Now you tell me some examples of earlier and later that you do in sequentially. Okay, fine. I'll ask you. Ice cube. You know ice cube? Okay. So you all know ice cube.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Directly you get ice, or what things you do first?
Yes.
What
Yes.
do we do first to get the ice cube?
Brush. Brush.
Ice cube. Ice cube. Barf.
Brush. First.
Shruti, ice cube. Barf. See, first we should keep the water in fridge, then we get the ice cube. Earlier we keep the water in the fridge, and then we get the ice cube. Okay, I will ask you some more questions.
आइसक्रीम में वाटर डालेंगे फिर राइस बनता है.
Yes, very good. Now listen, I will show you two activities. From that, you have to tell me which is earlier, which activity is earlier, and which activity is later. Okay?
Okay.
See the read this. Who will read this?
Washing hands.
Washing hands. Very good. And which activity is read this sentence?
Had a L-U-C-K. Had lunch. Had a lunch.
Very good. Very nice try.
Washing hand. Washing hand. It is washing hand. Had a lunch. Later.
See, washing hands and had a lunch. Now tell me which activity you do earlier?
Washing.
Hands. Very good. And later?
Had a lunch. Had a lunch.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent.
Yes.
Now tell me, read the sentence.
Washing clothes. Washing clothes.
And
I Rogan Clarence Cotton. CLOTHES. Clothes.
very nice try. Washing clothes and ironing clothes. Press करके ना मम्मी कपड़े को ironing. So which activity we do first? Washing clothes or ironing clothes?
Washing clothes.
We get. Earlier we wash the clothes and later we
Second. I Rogan.
yes, very good. Earlier washing clothes and later ironing clothes. Okay. Now read this.
PEELING. Flinging banana. Banana.
Peeling banana. And
Flinging banana.
which activity is this?
EATING. Falling banana.
Eating banana.
Eating banana.
Okay. So here are the two activities: eating banana and peeling banana. So
Peeling banana.
peeling banana is the earlier.
Yes.
Eating banana is
Second.
later. For earlier we we peel banana and later we eat it.
Eat it.
Yes?
Eat banana.
Okay. Now tell me what is written? Which activity is this?
The toys. Remove the toys.
Remove the toys. Now tell me which activity is this?
Open the toys box.
Toy box. Very good. Open the toy box. So which activity we do first?
The toys. Remove the toys.
So earlier we open the box and later we remove the box. Remove the toy. Yes? Earlier we open the toy box and later we remove the toys from it. Isn't it?
Yes. Clean clothes. Wearing clothes.
Very good.
Wearing
Very
clean
close. Very close.
clothes. Take a bath. T-A-K-I-N-G. Take bath.
Yes.
Taking
So
bath.
which activity you do earlier?
First, take the bath.
Very good. And then we wear the clothes. So earlier we take the bath and later we wear the clothes. Okay. Okay. Now what you can see in this picture? Nowadays it's raining outside. So which activity is done first earlier? See, this is dark cloud.
Later. Earlier. Feel later.
Earlier, dark cloud, and later it started raining. Yes?
Yes.
First, काले बादल दिखते हैं ना आपको? You can see dark clouds. Yes, earlier you can see dark clouds, and later it started raining.
Running.
Okay. So, have you all understood our today's topic, that is earlier and later?
Yes.
Okay. Again, read this word.
E-A-R-L-I-E-R. Earlier.
So earlier means the things we do.
E-A-R-L-I-E-R. Earlier.
Earlier means the things we do first. Earlier means the things we do first. And read this word.
L-A-T-E-R.
Very good. The later means the things we do afterwards. Okay. Have you all understood our today's topic, that is earlier and later?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, children.
Welcome.
For new videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.